Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to play NFL Fantasy Football. Once you have your app downloaded, you can tap on it to open it. And then once you've signed in, which we expect you to be, you have the option to join a league or create a league. Now when you tap on join a league, you'll need to choose the draft type, whether standard, salary cap, or auto draft. Now the standard is the most common way to do this, and then you have the draft date. It's currently under draft later, of course, and we can say done because this is not determined by you. Then you're going to tap on the date and choose when you'd like to draft. We could say, so go ahead and make your choice, and then you're going to choose the draft time. Go ahead and make this choice, and then tap on Get My Team. Before you actually tap on Get My Team, there are two other options to be aware of. You have fan leagues, which you could actually go through with. If you tap in fan leagues, you'll be able to choose from the existing teams that have been created by fans, right? So you have these teams, and you can also see the number of teams in each league. The first team is the Vukoden League, and it just has 2 teams out of 10. The second league, Street Fighter, has 5 teams out of 10. So you get to pick from your fan leagues and decide. So let's go back, and then you have received invite. So if you received an invite, you can tap on receive invite, put in the league ID and league password, and you can go ahead and continue with this option. So from here, you can see that for the join league option, there are 3 ways you could do this. You could do it the manual way, join the fan leagues that have been created already and are needing other teams to complete, or you can use an invite if you've received one of them. So it's pretty much up to you. But we can go ahead and say Get My Team from what we did earlier. And here you have your team. So you can go ahead and scroll down and you'll see the bench, reserve, and everything is empty. Of course, you can see add players here. We're going to tap on it, add players. And right here is where you get to add different players, right? If we tap on the home tab at the top left corner, now when we go back home, you can see your team. Then again, you have join league and create league. You could go ahead and tap and create a league. If you want to create your league, you're going to put in the league name and the league's password. So now we have the name of the league, Thoros League, and we're going to create a password. So we've put in a password. We're going to tap on create league, and you can see our league has been created. You can go ahead and save the password for easy access next time. Great, so you have Thoros League Week 1, you have Manage League and Hall of Fame. If you tap on Manage League, it's going to take you to your commissioner tools where you can have your league settings, draft settings, rosters, etc. But if you come back, you can see fill your league, 1 of 10 teams are filled. And you have the option to send this to your friends and invite others to join in the fun. You could go ahead and also say open league to NFL fans. This is pretty much up to you. So you have your teams and you can see all these slots are open. So once you do the invite, you get to make progress. And of course, as we mentioned earlier, once you tap on Manage League, you can see your league info, scoring, waivers, playoffs and ties, divisions, teams, and managers and co-managers. This is where you could also edit team managers. We're going to go back. And then here you have settings related to drafts. When we tap on draft settings, you can see the draft type. You can switch to live if you want, set the draft date, set the draft time, set it on auto if you wanted, or back to offline. Pretty much up to you to choose what you want because this is your league. So again, we're currently on our league, but if you want to go to where you can join the other leagues, you could tap on the home button at the top left corner. And here you can see my leagues, and the first is the one we actually joined before. And this is what you could do with it. Now, when we tap on the league which we joined, which is yet to start sometime in the future, you can see right here that you can participate in trades, waivers, add players, etc. And here you can see the week you're currently in, and each week we'll provide updates about the health of your players, their status, or other things that you'll need in order to manage your team properly. And as they are handled properly, your team will be playing just fine. And of course, as a manager, you'll be making the right decisions which you feel are best for your team. When you do this, you'll be able to succeed in playing NFL fantasy football as a manager. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.